Ninth one, write a Python program to convert year or month or day to a day of year in Python. Day of year, okay. So from given year, month or day to the day of year means which day this month year, okay. We have to return that one. Simple done. So check this one from datetime import star. If you want to get the current datetime, we have to use datetime.now method. Okay, we'll get the current datetime. And next thing is, see here datetime, so many parameters are there: year, month, day, hour, minute, second. Year means today.year, so that we will get the current year. Month means first one. Okay, day means first one, means January 1st. Okay, we'll get the datetime of January 1st year. Today year comma 1. Okay, so we want to subtract from the current datetime to the this datetime here. Okay, simple, day of the year today minus datetime dot today dot year 1 comma 1 dot days plus 1, add plus 1. Okay, just print day of the year, simple one. Just check the output here. See 365 days because it's a December 30 from January 1st to the December 2023. Okay, 31st, December 31st to January 1st. How many days? 365 days are there. Okay, you can check if you, so if you are solving this, means if you are practicing this program, you can check different days will be there. Okay,